Hey everybody, welcome back to The Progression, your host of MBE Entertainment, the light skinned wonder. So again, this is a debate show where we interview beautiful women, both single and in a relationship, about provocative topics, which include but are not limited to dating, domestic violence issues, interracial dating, and so on. So we might actually come up to you and ask, should a woman ever pay on a date? We want to know. So pretty much all things that people are scared to ask or vocalize, we're going to talk about. Because in our segments, we want to know what goes on in a bad chick's mind. And in the end, we are going to decide who wins the debate. Because there always is a right or wrong answer. So I warned you, we might offend you. However, that is not our intention. But guess what? We probably will. Check us out. So this time coming from you live from the bowling alley in the South, these answers are going to be crazy, y'all. This is the ladies' perspective. You guys ready? Let's go.
District in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang, gang, gang. Drop the top and blow the brand.
Welcome back, y'all. So I have the lovely
CC.
And where you from, Miss CC?
I'm from Mississippi, y'all.
The M.I. Crooked Letters Day. Okay, I'm not mad at y'all. All right, so the question that we have, when it comes to dating, should you ever have to pay when it comes to a date?
I mean, I shouldn't have to be obligated to pay, but I will pay, yeah.
On any date? So if you ask me on a date, you gonna pay for me?
No, I'm not gonna pay for you, but I'll pay for myself.
You're gonna have to do
I'm
it
gonna pay for me, I'm not gonna pay for you.
Okay, I got you. What happens if it comes to marriage or if you get engaged?
Okay, so if we're married, then therefore we're sharing funds. If we're engaged, you know we're pursuing the same thing. So we're sharing funds. So if I'm paying for you, you're paying for me. I'm paying for me, you know I'm paying for you. It's the same difference.
I love it.
Yeah, seriously.
There we go. So as you can see, the rules from Miss CC and my crooked letter herself. So welcome back to MBE Entertainment. I have with me
Brandy.
Okay, and Brandy, where you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
She's from the ATL, y'all. That's real talk. Y'all say y'all or Charlotte?
Just say both.
She said both. I got you. Okay, so pretty much we're asking the questions again. When it comes to a date, I already know the answer what you're gonna say on this one. Should you ever have to pay on a date, first date, if you're married, just period?
Well, on the first date, no. I would feel kind of weird if you asked me to pay. Not saying I wouldn't mind, but when I get to know you, like if we're in a relationship later on, I don't mind paying within a relationship or marriage. But like the first date, if you taking me out, then no, I shouldn't have. Not ever, like on the first date, but later on in the relationship, I'll pay. I don't mind paying. Or later on in the marriage or whatever, I don't mind paying.
You don't mind paying? So your money is their money? When y'all married?
Yeah.
Not before that?
I mean, it just depends. Some people are different.
Okay.
But if I hope it is that way.
You hope it's that way? I got you. So when it comes to marriage, your money is his money, your money is vice versa. But then when it comes to the first date, that's his money, that's your money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Basically.
There we go. So again, coming live from the bowling alley in Atlanta. So welcome back, y'all. So we're pretty much back at the bowling alley. I'm joined by
Marquisha.
Marquisha. Where you from, Marquisha?
I'm from Mississippi.
And my crooked letter state, y'all. Okay. There we go. So the next question, the same question that we got when it comes to dating, should you ever have to pay when it comes to a first date or past the first date or in general? What you think?
I feel like the first date that the male should pay, but like on down the line, it really don't matter. Like you can go half and half, or I just pay it all, or like we just take turns or something like that.
After the first date?
Right.
What happens if he ain't got the first date? You gonna wash dishes or his head? I got you. But what happens like when you get engaged or when you get married, like down the road? What you think?
That's when I think like you guys like they should actually just take turns, or like I'm gonna pay this day, or you know like make arrangements that because what's mine is yours. It's on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's mine's mine, yours is yours, but just not on the first date.
Right. Not on the first date. I think the man should pay. Maybe a Mississippi thing, but that's what I just think.
Nah, I got you. I mean, shoot, it's like 50-50 right now. America's 50-50 right now. So on the West Coast, the guys like women should pay if you ask them.
What?
Yeah, that's it. Hey, you gotta watch the video.
Oh Lord.
But in the South, Southern Bells. Southern Bells?
Yeah.
I got you. So that was the lovely Marquisha coming from Atlanta and what she represents, the MI Cricket Letter State.
Yes.
Coming back to y'all live from the bowling alley again, MBE Entertainment, y'all. I'm joined by the Kiana. She all shy though. I ain't gonna bite you, Kiana. Where you from, Kiana?
I'm from here.
From the ATL? I got you. Okay, Miss Vision Board herself. I love it. I got you. All right, so quick question. So today we're asking, when it comes to a date, the first date, dating, if you're engaged or if you're married, should you ever have to pay for a date?
Should I? It depends. Like if you ask me, then I mean I don't mind, but it just depends on. If it's the first date, then I don't think so.
So if it's first date, then he needs to pay. But after, is there like a time limit, like how many days he has to pay after a while, or is it gradual?
I like to cover myself. I always do that to cover myself, if anything.
I got you. Okay, so make sure. So if he ain't got no bread, you good, because he can wash dishes when you do it, right? I got you though. Okay, that's what's up. So you think the same thing when it comes to marriage, or if you engage, is it your bread, his bread, vice versa?
Yeah.
Think so? Okay, I got you. That'll work. Have you ever had any situations where have you ever asked to do that?
No.
You ain't never asked. Would you ever ask to do that?
No.
I think she'd ask me out, y'all. I'm just playing. That'll work.
No.
All right, so she said no, y'all. I'm just playing. So coming live for you from the bowling alley.
District in